bunch of food. Hopefully we find a delicious meal, maybe with vegetarian options. There's some cool street art right here.
I am the walrus.
Goo goo goo. Yeah, that guy's pretty cool.
He's leading the way.
Tell us where to go, little guy.
I don't want to get that close.
Well then don't. Toodaloo peppers. Lead the way, yet again.
Stumbled about for long enough, but it's time to eat some dinner and some bintang. We both got traditional Indonesian dishes, but with a vegetarian option. Pretty excited about that. Right? Yeah. That's the Nasi Goreng, right? It's like super buttery broth with rice. It's real good. And yours is peppery and delicious. And we found the hot sauce on this table of condiments. Wonderful. Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Tell the internet how to cheers.
It's bear sulong.
Bear Sulong.
Bear sulong.
And also look how cool my Lion Sulong
Yeah,
beer
your
is.
label's super cool.
Bear Sulong.
Bear sulong.
Whoa, that is an IPA.
Oh,
Try some.
I think this is better in the bottle than it was in the can.
Try this. Everything's better in a bottle.
Yeah, I guess that's the rule. Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, I'll have to get one of those.
Yeah. These ones you can get at the grocery store for like a discounted price in a pack, so we might be going back to this guy right here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cold when we first got here last night.
Yeah. Whoa. Rain chose a good time, eh? We had no rain during our day. Just rain during our night. I'll take it.
It's nice from the comfort of our shelter.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning there, viewers.
Hey, we're on the balcony having our coffees.
Oh,
Yeah. Beautiful morning. Look at that. It's supposed to rain later on, but hopefully not while we're walking. But whatever. Got pretty lucky yesterday, so we can't always be lucky.
12 or 1, the internet is saying. We'll see.
Yeah. I wanted to show you this, though. I thought this was pretty cool. We basically have one of each of these guys now. I think it's a lot of different colors, which is neat. Like I basically have one of each, eh? Yeah. In case you want to know what Indonesian currency looks like. Yeah. So we're going to finish up these coffees, and then we're going to head down for breakfast. And we'll see you in a bit.
This looks fantastic. Look at all those unique things.
Well, it's like a banana donut.
Oh, yeah. You excited?
It's good. I haven't tried this yet. This is what I'm really excited for. This is the front of our place we're staying. Beautiful. Look, it's a street art street. There's pumpkins or like cucumbers growing all over here. But also street art.
You don't know?
There's so many good dogs here. It's a good country for dogs. No. I love the bottom of this post. Just hanging on, you know? That's so cool.
What up, internet?
Hey there, camera.
Here we are on our second day in Ubud.
Yeah. We walked down from our hotel to our favorite little conveni and got us some breakfast coffees. Want to tell the camera about your morning?
Yeah, I guess you're referring to the earthquake. I honestly wouldn't have even known if you didn't tell me that that's what it was, because like it lasted all of 10 seconds, if that, 5 seconds. Like it was really quick. And just a little bit of shaking.
Our coffees and our cups were like shaking back and forth, and the doors on the room
rattling and stuff.
Rattled. And then I looked it up online, and it said there was a 3.8 magnitude earthquake, like 10 kilometers north of Bintang, which is basically where we are.
Yeah.
So
40 years of my life without ever having felt one. And having felt one, it sure was a whole lot of nothing. So I can't really relate to people.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Definitely experienced them before, but
So where are we going?
we are going to the monkey forest. We're going to try to walk there. We're about halfway, I think.
Oh, is it that close?
Yeah.
Oh.
Close.
I
But
thought we'd be walking for a while.
I think Maps.me is a little deceptive. It doesn't really take into account when you're walking up and down hills. So. Like yesterday, the walk was for 35 minutes, but then we like walked up and down hills for.
There was at least one hill yesterday where I really struggled and felt the out of shape nature of my body.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna finish up our beverages and take a little walk. Hopefully it doesn't pour rain on us, but whatever.
Yeah, even if it does, it's warm. It's probably nice.
Take luck.
Yeah.
This little buddy came up while you were rapping. He wants to be your friend. Maybe he wanted to spit some bars.
Yeah.
Hey, Paul?
Cute little guy.
Oh, he's so cute. Just chilling with us. Did we mention that we accidentally brought a dog back to our hotel last night?
No, I don't think so.
Silky? Silky followed us all the way to our building, basically.
Good little guy.
He just knows you're a dog, that's all.
Dog.
Didn't realize we were in the Caribbean. I guess pirates can come to Indonesia. I want to take the sexy taxi. I don't want to take any taxi. But if I did,
So fun.
that's all we ever do. Wander and take video. It's our life. I think you should take a rest in front of a field sometime. It's nothing. Oh, look at that one.
Well, close guy.
That's a really good one.
Yeah.
I guess I shouldn't stand by this puddle.
It's a little dangerous.
Yeah. I really like this guy's microphone. He's down to karaoke with Baby Yoda, I think. Is that Baby Yoda?
There's another such.
Or is it Dobby?
I didn't even notice. Yeah.
I feel like I've taken no pictures on this trip at all.
Yeah.
It's all because I'm trying to get good footage. Oh, the whole family. Oh god.
Yeah.
Make eye contact.
What?
Don't make eye contact
What?
with this guy.
Oh.
We found the entrance, I think. I hope.
According to signs.
Took an hour to find it, though. Cross the road, cross the road, cross the road.
Sure. I love how many monkey statues there are.
Yeah.